Bangkok, baby. Bangkok, baby. Walking in Bangkok. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Walking in Bangkok. Ooh, through the streets. Meandering in the streets. Ooh, streets of Bangkok. Walking those damn cool streets of Bangkok. Walking, walking, walking. Just walking, walking, walking. Ooh, walking those old beautiful streets of Bangkok.
I have no idea where I'm at exactly, but these apartments look super cool. And we're gonna go down this street right here, and look, there's all these buildings too, and there's a lot of construction and some other cool, lots of architecture everywhere in this particular street. Places to eat, but I will locate exactly the location we're at, and then we're going to film the street starting here. Oh, there's like plastic up there. I don't know if these are, just don't know. Anyways, put this up on the map so you know exactly where we are, and then we're going to go down this street right here. We are in Bangkok, and let me put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are in the city. And just so you know, I'll be putting up a different slice of Bangkok from different streets every few days. So keep looking and you'll see some new ones. Okay, let's go check out Bangkok as if you're there yourself. Yeah, I think all I know is that you probably just saw it on the map, but there's some kind of interesting houses all in here, and it feels like it's kind of new. I don't know. They're painting up there and they're sculpting, and then I saw some other stuff up on the main road as well. This one, I don't know if that's new or old. Or maybe they're resculpturing them a little bit. We got these beautiful windows right here too. This does look like it's just being repaired. It's like, what's that word called? So maybe it's just being, what do you call that word? Oh, there's even those Chinese characters there. It must have been there for a while. And I guess this might be, maybe they have them for rent. I saw that reference earlier, something island. So yeah, I don't know exactly where we're at, but we're not too far from a backpacker area. It's quite hot and sunny right now too. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try to locate exactly where we are, and then we'll label it accordingly. Ratchadamnoen. It's a residence house. So I think this is going to come to an ending shortly, and there's like construction everywhere in here. Tenderloin weed, a weed shop. Huh. And I think it's going to come to an end already. I don't even see what the street sign was. There's another hotel, and there's a school up there as well. Let's see if we can. Huh. So that is more of that construction everywhere. Some of those Art Deco buildings. And I'm just gonna wander right into the alleys because I don't want to walk into construction. And if I can find some reference point, I will, so that later I can label it and attach it to a certain street. Here's one Paragon 1 reference residence. So this could be something I could use for context. And I think it's going to be a dead-end road. So I think it's going to, oh, there's a little thing over there too. So I think it's going to come to, can I go through here? Oh, and you go through that way. And that's an alley. Okay. Come on, cop. So I guess this is an alley. So I guess I won't be able to label it, but that is Paragon 1 residence. And I guess what we're gonna do then is, I guess I'm gonna walk into that construction up there towards those little monuments, and then we'll attach it to something. But whatever it is, it's gonna be a lot different in the future, and it looks like it could be pretty interesting. So, okay. So we're gonna I just don't know. There's a hotel over there. Tinsor. It looks like we have more construction here too. Let's see if I can figure this out. Hello. Come back up. Can I go this way? I can go this way. So I know we're near some monuments. Okay, there's McDonald's over there. Okay, so wherever we're at, I think we're pretty close to the backpacker area of Bangkok. It looks like that whole area is doing some reconstruction of some kind. Okay. So I don't know what to call that street. I guess all we can really do is just so I guess those are the reference points to where we were exactly. Looks like there's a school right in here, and a McDonald's in here too. So I guess what we'll do is we'll come to a conclusion in a minute here. Kinda cool. Then we got McDonald's right in here as well. So we're gonna just, I think what I'm gonna do is capture this circle and maybe up to those yellow buildings. And then I think what we were kind of at, there's like a monument, and then that whole thing looks like it's under construction with a lot more stuff going on. And then we're also near a school and a McDonald's. And so maybe I'll have to label it whatever this circle is that we're on. Let's kind of see here. So this is more of that architecture that we saw in the other area. Okay. So yeah, we got this kind of McDonald's that kind of exemplifies this area. That's that monument thing. So I guess what we're gonna do is maybe we'll connect it to this. I'll look this up, find out what the circle is, and then we'll just attach it to that. But yeah, so we were basically like over in that area. All right.